Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'll be guiding you through how to add gift card to Uber Eats account. If you've got a Uber gift card with you and you've no idea where to use it, then here is how you can easily add a gift card for your Uber Eats account by following a simple few steps. So the first thing to do is to open your preferred web browser and type in ubereats.com inside the URL box. Doing so will take you to the official website for Uber Eats. Make sure that you're signed into your account by entering your correct credentials. Once you're in the main homepage, click on the three lines at the top left-hand corner, which looks like a hamburger menu. Now select Wallet from the expanded menu. To add a payment method, click on Add Payment Method button. Now, select how you will use the payment method. You can select between spend and receive. To add a gift card on your Uber Eats account as a payment method, click on Spend. Now select Gift Card option under Add Payment Method on the next page. Enter your gift card code available on your Uber Eats gift card and make sure to type in exactly as it appears on your gift card. Finally, click on Apply in order to apply and add the gift card to your Uber Eats account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.